Hey, it's Edge here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Ethereum. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott for Ethereum and provide multiple scenarios price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on a bit higher time frame, looking at this on a 1 hour time frame and starting the count from these highs of around $2,000 and the 14th of August. Now we had this diagonal count, which definitely doesn't seem to be playing out too much or too well. We had this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, we had the issue of wave 4 being so small compared to the rest of the structure, but again, sometimes they are. Then a 3-wave structure back to wave 2, and then another 5 waves down into wave 3. Then we were looking at this possibility as a wave 4 in here, and then we would be looking for downwards again for that wave 5 here. At this point, we would be looking at this as a possible wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if we are going to go over this channel that I have labeled here or marked out, then this whole thing is going to be invalid because, again, wave 4 would not be looking right anymore. And, well, it's not complete invalidation. But again, as we are having this as a contracting diagonal, we can't really have the waves or this trend line here going away from contracting structure like. So I don't think we can even go further than we have here at the very moment. For this one, we have another issue here on more local time frame, having this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I feel like it's the only way I can fit any kind of 5-way structure in here, but the issue is that 1-to-1 extension would be right below the current lows, and that 1-to-1 extension is from this leg. Again, on expanding diagonals, wave 5 should reach at least the 1-to-1 extension of this third wave, meaning that it should be larger than wave 3, and at this moment it is not. So that is giving me a bit difficult times understanding and even trusting in this count at all. So yeah, I'm putting this on the back burner as well again. Now the local count here, the main count that I've been following is this one, in which we have again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending the structure here in either a wave or a wave 1. Now since then we put on a few different ideas here. The best one I think is this one, in which we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into an A wave, 3-way pullback into W, 3 waves into X, and then again another 3-way move here into wave Y, so creating a WXY. Around 0.854 extension of this first move for this last leg here as well, and the 854 of this move here for this C wave. So it looks pretty okay. Again, it is truncated, or to my understanding, it is truncated structure because, again, wave Y did not take out the W wave lows here. Now this is possible, of course. It looks pretty okay as well, and here on out we could be looking at some of the targets here. Whoops, that is way out. That should be there. I don't know how I had pulled that. Oh, I've probably moved this, right? No, that is right. That is pretty right. Yeah, that should be fine. There we go. And this would be the perfect area. Now, to get us to the C wave, we could be following this channel that we have here. And this would be the 1-to-1 in time compared to the A wave. Pivoted from this B. So the perfect thing to do with this case would be doing something like this. This would bring us around $1,690 or $1,690. Now, what I don't like about this count is the fact that we don't even hit the 0.618 here in time compared to the first structure here. So to my idea, we're not going to be using or creating this B wave as of yet, and instead we would be creating a 3-way structure, 3 ways, and then some kind of, well, depending on these first 2 legs, we're going to be looking at what this last leg is going to be doing, but we're going to be doing something a bit larger and longer time in general. That's the overall idea I got at the moment. So I should be using these on lower time frame or lower degree, but I haven't labeled them yet on a different way. Of course, it is possible that this would be ending the wave C, ABC here, and ending the wave B. As long as we get to the 38.2 here, that would be around $13. At that point, we would go beyond the 1-to-1 extension. But But yeah, it still would have a valid look all the way basically up to these highs here. At 1.618, we could be looking at this as some kind of a 5-way structure starting to form like so. We'll see how it turns out though. But yeah, to my for this to achieve the right look, I would think that we would definitely need to get to the 0.618 for any 3-way move compared to the previous move if we want to have it. But yeah, I think that's pretty much everything I wanted to share today. I'm still looking for a possibility of going long here. If this indeed is a 5-way move, then the structures coming off of here are kind of small. If we are even looking at these things here, 1.618 would be even up here. So I'm not quite sure if this is going to be the right case. We'll see. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I wanted to cover today. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes and link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you next video. Bye bye.